Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to change the theme in Google Drive using the full 2026 layout. Changing your Drive theme is a simple but powerful way to make your workspace more comfortable, especially if you spend long hours working with files. So first, open your browser, go to drive.google.com, and log in with your Google account. Once your Google Drive dashboard loads, we're ready to begin. In the top right corner of your Drive screen, click the Settings gear icon. From the drop-down menu, click Settings again. This will open a new settings window where you can adjust how Google Drive looks and behaves. Inside the settings panel, look for the Theme or Appearance section. Here you'll see three main options: Light Mode, Dark Mode, and System Default. Light Mode is the classic bright white background that most users are familiar with. Dark Mode switches your Drive interface to a darker layout, which is easier on the eyes, especially at night. System Default automatically matches whatever theme your computer or device is currently using. To change your theme, simply click the option you prefer. If you select Dark Mode, your Google Drive will instantly switch to a darker interface without needing to reload the page. If you switch back to Light Mode, it will return to the bright classic look just as quickly. If you choose System Default, Google Drive will automatically follow your device's theme changes going forward. If you're using Google Drive on your phone or tablet, the steps are slightly different. Open the Google Drive app, tap the three-line menu, go to Settings, then tap Theme. From there, you can select Light, Dark, or System Default, just like on desktop. Changing your theme does not affect your files, folders, or sharing settings. It only changes how the interface looks for your account, so you can experiment freely without worrying about your data. And that's it. That's how to change the Google Drive theme using the 2026 setup. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a huge difference in comfort and productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next